In this video, I will talk about angle at the circumference and at the center of a circle. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle. An angle at the circumference meaning this angle. Here you will learn about the relationship between the size of angle and the length of the arc in a circle. Angle at the circumference subtended by the same arc are equal, meaning that these three angles RST, they are sharing the same arc PQ, so the angles are equal. And angles at the circumference subtended by arcs of the same length are equal. So the length of PQ is same with the length of SU, and the corresponding angle R and T are equal. The size of an angle is proportional to the arc length. So if the arc length SU is y and the arc length here is 3y, and so the corresponding angle, this is x, and the corresponding angle of this is 3 times of x. Angles at the center of a circle subtended by the same arc is twice the angle at the circumference. Here you can see that they are sharing the same arc PR. And the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference. So for this is also they are sharing the same arc PR. So the angle at the circumference is x, angle at the center is 2x. Same for this, sharing PR. And the angle at the center is 2x, 2 times of the angle at the circumference. For central angles subtended by an arc, the concepts are same with the angles at the circumference. If the arc length are same, y, and the size of the angles are equal, so this is x. The size of an angle is proportional to the arc length. So if this is y and this is 2y, the angle x, then this will be 2 times of x. There is a special rule for angle. Angle at the circumference of circles subtended by diameter. The angle is always 90 degrees. When you see a triangle whereby one of the sides is diameter of a circle, the angle opposite of it is 90 degrees. Let's look at some questions. In the diagram, AD equals to BD, D equals to BD, and find the value of x. In order to find this, you need to look at triangle ABD. And know that angle x is equals to ADB. And this is also x because they are subtended by the same arc, which is here. And then you can see that angle ABD is equals to angle DAB. So these two angles are equals, which is equals to 58 degrees. So here is also 58 degrees. And then angle ADB is equals to the total angle of triangle, which is 180 degrees, and minus these two angles, which is 58 degrees. And this is equals to 64. So x is equals to 64 degrees. Question 2. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Find the value of x. And you can see that these two angles, angle x and 240 degrees, they are subtended by the same arc PQ. So we know that 240 is equals to 2x because the angle at the center subtended by the same arc is 2 times the angle at the circumference. Hence, x equals to 240 degrees divided by 2, which is equals to 120 degrees. Question 3. The diagram shows a circle with the center O. Find the value of x and y. First thing you can see that this triangle and AC is the diameter of the circle. So this angle ABC is equals to 90 degrees. So ABC equals to 90 degrees because this is the angle at the circumference subtended by diameter. And x will be equals to a total angle of a triangle, which is 180 minus 20 and minus 90 degrees, which is equals to 70 degrees. And then angle y is equals to angle x because they are subtended by the same arc here, AB. So y is also equals to 70 degrees.